road trip, and we try to start early so we can get away from the gloom of the day. But guess what? It started raining. We brought our bikinis with us, but I don't think we can stay overnight with this type of weather. We might just keep driving.
Road trip.
Yeah.
And we're staying on the road.
And Mama is ready. What can you say?
Just keep on eating lansones.
Yeah, we did score on some fruit.
Yeah, we have lansunis and mangosteen. So right now we are close to Duca Bay.
Close to Duca Bay.
It is about almost 3 hours drive from our mountain, from our province.
Yeah.
And this is on which side, baby? East?
Yeah, we went east.
Duca Bay. Let's see how Duca Bay looks like after 9 years. It's not white sand, but it's a nice area.
Duca Bay Resort.
Duca.
Okay, we went to Duca Bay.
Yeah.
Great time. Had a great time. The water looked cold. There was quite a few rocks on the sand, so the tide was in. Nobody in the water. It was great. Just good troopers. We looked at it and said, okay, we've been there, done that. And now we're deciding where are we going to go next.
Okay, just keep hitting the road.
It's a road trip.
Yep, that's what it
Didn't
was.
say we were going to get wet, but it's a road trip.
All right, let's go. So right now, I believe we are in Claveria already, but this GPS stops because there's no connection at all. Not even one bar. So we're just gonna play it by
Ear.
we're 3,020 feet elevation.
Okay.
This is our exact location right now. I'm showing it on the video. Here's the compass. Wow, we're high. No wonder my ears are popping. So we might see that viewpoint. Oh, there it is. Isn't that the viewpoint?
Is that the viewpoint?
I think so. There's a King Kong.
Yeah, cold.
It's not. You liked it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is windy. It's like
It's
the
windy.
northwest.
It's windy, but it's not that cold.
Baby, you look like you're glowing. I was wondering what are they coming down here for. I don't see anything. See Mama. She was ready to the beach, but we end up here in a cold, foggy mountain here in Claveria. We're in the mountains, the other mountainside. Beautiful flowers here in Claveria. Since we're not able to go to the beach, so here we are at the view deck. And this is called over here millions. In the US, it's called hydrangea. So from Duca Bay, we're here at Claveria Misamis Oriental, and it's an hour away from Duca Bay. The weather is still not very good. It gets so gloomy. Can't see it from my phone, but the rain is on and off. Okay, we're leaving here. We're exiting.
Wala lagi bertambok yan ulap guys.
Asa?
Anong pula?
Okay.
Sa una ba?
Naman sila fertilizer. Right there. It's just a short stop. Bye. Bye. We're back here in Cagayan de Oro City, and my husband said,
I need a mirror.
he needs the mirror.
Went east down the coast, or over the coast. Came back over the mountain. Now we're back on the coast, going down west on the coast.
We're going to the mall. You really think we should keep going to the airport area?
We'll find out.
We'll find out after we eat, huh?
Yeah. See how we feel after we eat. I mean, we don't want to do any rash decisions until we eat. Get our stomachs full so the blood is not in our brain and it's all down at our abdomen, you know, filling up all the fat cells. Then we'll be able to talk about what do we do now?
Okay, we found a place to eat. We're just waiting for our food. It's gonna be about 20 minutes, and we'll see from here if we feel like more road trip.
Yep, we'll see.
Okay, we just had our food. Food's done, and we're going home. We're not going for any more road trip. Ready for bed. Ready for bed. Bye. We finally got home after our short road trip, and this is what we got right now. No power, there's a brownout, and no water. The water has been off for 2 days now. Welcome to the Philippines. What can you say, baby?
Make it a little cooler in here. Turn up the AC a little bit, the aircon.
In your dreams.
Okay.
Good night.
Back to my dreams.
But you can turn on your flashlight. Ow! You're so mean! Right. Good morning, neighbors!
Mayong buntag!
Maayong buntag from the Philippines! Today, we are gonna be heading to one of the beach resort in Initao, Misamis Oriental. They said it's the Boracay of Cagayan because it's a long beach walk, right?
Yep.
Blue Sands Resort, that's what it's called. The reason why we're heading towards the direction, even though it's a gloomy day, because in our province there hasn't been no water for how many days now, baby?
Oh, I've lost track.
I think it's a week, like 7 days. There's no water coming out from the faucet. I don't know what happened. They're trying to fix something or whatever. That's how it's been since we arrived here in the Philippines. Our place has had on and off water supply. So with the power. So we'll just see you at the beach. Let's see how it's gonna look like over there. As I said, here it's gloomy, and I'm pretty sure it's still gonna be gloomy there because it's only like an hour away from where we live. That's how far we are from the beach. It's just like coming from Portland, Oregon to the coast. True, baby?
Yeah.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
I had some shower, or not really a shower, just a wash, because we had leftover water from our bucket storage, and it was just like half a bucket, or not even half a bucket. I was able to wash even my hair. How's that? That was record breaking. We are stopping here to eat because this is very special place right here by the sea. This is where my husband proposed to me. Okay. You have your mask. What was that?
I asked if you had your
Ring.
yeah.
Yeah, but I forgot. I don't wear them all the time in the house because I do gardening and I wash dishes. I don't have dishwasher. So
Oh God, I take it all back.
he proposed over here, but I don't have the ring. It's gone after what, 9 years?
After 9 years, she threw it away.
Well, I just don't wear them every day, and I forgot it was.
Yeah, that's her excuse.
Let's get in.
Yeah.
I have some food, huh?
Let's just go eat.
Okay. So from that restaurant we stopped, it was what, 35 minutes away. They're just all over the place. Look at that. You'll be sandwiched if you try to overtake. Yay! So scary. Thank you, people. We're now in Gitagum City and 13 minutes away from Blue Sands Beach. Right here. This is it. We're here. Well, it's not well developed because they hadn't paved the road. Okay, this is their entrance right here. Yeah, we were there. We saw the beach. It's nice white sand beach, but I forgot to turn on my camera. We just asked if we could see first, and then if we like it, we will stay over. We do like it, except I'm in my hoodie and I cannot be in the water with my hoodie. I'm cold. You know, it's gloomy. The rain is still on and off. We'll just, I don't know, drive home?
No, we're gonna go down.
Okay, let's continue on.
Still have my head.
Hey, don't say that. So we just continue on. I think this is headed towards what? Iligan City? Yeah. Yeah.
Way up the
On the side is a beach resort also. Just a day use. This is what happens if you don't have water coming through your house. You just gonna have to do something, you know. Find something else to do. Ah, that vehicle. This place is called Lugait. That's
Lugait?
Yeah, that's what it says in the mark there.
Lugait.
Yes.
Yeah, baby, you got it.
Lugait.
You got it.
L U.
Yeah.
Lugait.
Yeah, baby, Lugait.
Okay, we saw a viewpoint here in Lugait. We'll see if we can get in. Okay, where was that? Where was that? Slow down, slow down.
It looks like a private lot.
Yeah. Let me go ask.
Okay.
Okay, here's the viewpoint that we saw. Oh wow. There's a video, okay, people there. Big drop right here. They just dumped this, right?
Yeah.
Seems like this is just a fill.
Yeah, it's just a fill. They're trying to build it up so they can
Probably do
put
something.
more riprap down.
Yeah. Maybe they're gonna develop this area. So this
They're probably gonna try to make this a
resort.
lot.
Yeah.
That's what I think it is.
Nice area. It is, huh?
It is.
Okay, let me see you then. Look at that. We made it to Iligan City. Wow. So it's not really that far. Oh wow, they have a nice plaza here too. Oh, there's a strict point. Yeah. gone Forest Green Incorporated. We're turning back. Let's see what that checkpoint is all about. Those were policemen. I think I'm overthinking, but I am a bit scared, you know, getting in this area.
Okay. We'll go. Oh, maybe.
All right here. A veterinary quarantine station. That's right there. Good morning, neighbors. My lips is so red and we're ready to go somewhere. I just see my lips is extremely red. Yeah, there was a power outage in our house and a water cut off. I don't know what's going on again with the water. It's always on and off. So today we decided we need to leave the house, and right after leaving the house the power came back, but we know it's gonna go off again. So we decided we're gonna go for a road trip. We've already gone west and east, and you're thinking we're not going south.
No, that would be the direction we would go.
Okay.
South.
South would be the direction that we're headed today, because north, I don't think so. So
North, we would get wet in a very short time.
yeah, it's gonna be rainy.
No,
What?
because the sea there.
Oh, okay. So let's see what's on.
South of Cagayan de Oro.
Yeah, let's see what we will see. So this is the first town that we come out to from our little province. That's just one of the exits and the entrance to our province. It's not super bright today, but you can still see some blue skies. Okay, so we're just gonna go through the town proper. So we're here now in the town proper, and what we're gonna do is we'll have some takeout from McDonald's because that's on the way. So the original plan really was just to go in the mall, since we didn't have
Central
AC.
Mall,
Yeah, to Centrio Mall in Cagayan de Oro City and walk around, because we've only gone through a few shops, you know, and some restaurants there, and we're thinking that's where we're gonna wanna do our hike, our walk, because it's too hot to walk outside here in the Philippines. Where we lived for a while in the Northwest in the US, it's cooler, you know, the sun is bright and shining, but it is cool. Over here, when the sun is bright, that means it's really hot. And now we're here headed to somewhere, and he's already talking about going to Davao and hit their mall and go to the Viking all you can eat. We've been there before. That was 2018 when we had our vacation. We went with my cousins and she took us there, and yeah, that was a very good place for all you can eat. Compared, we haven't gone through Manila Viking. Oh, that's the name, right? Viking place.
Right.
Viking all you can eat place. We haven't gone through Manila, but we've gone to Cebu, and Cebu versus Davao Viking. I think Davao is the best.
So far.
Reason why we wanted to walk around the mall, because some people wanting to lose some poundage. How is that, poundage or
Pounds.
Yeah, pounds. And because
I'm losing weight. I don't know.
we needed
I'm
to
losing
loosen it
inches,
up
yeah.
because we plan on going somewhere this summer where he can kiteboard, and he needs to loosen up his muscles there. But I don't know, we might end up at Davao. Hopefully we're not. We don't plan ahead if we go places, because there's really no specific place that we're going to. So it's just that last time we went to east and west, and we didn't drive down more on the west. There's a lot of beaches there. white sand beaches, but there's so many checkpoints. I got scared because yes, we do have vaccine card, we also have our QR code, but we don't know what else they're gonna need from us. You know, paperwork, whatever, and
Right.
we're not ready for it. Yay. Yeah, in the Philippines, driving around here, maybe I need to wear diaper, maybe.
So you don't pee your pants.
Yeah.
I need the beer.
Okay. I don't think I could ever drive here.
Not a diaper. It all depends.
Hey, I'm just gonna turn it off before you add up to crazy things.
Hey, you're the one. Get
Well, it's already 12:13 at noon, and if we're gonna go to Davao, it's 5 hours and 4 minutes from now. So we'll see until when we get tired, then we might just come back. Here is the price on diesel.
Diesel.
Okay, another checkpoint. This is the second checkpoint so far coming up here. Alai quarantine control point. So the checkpoint just asked where we're headed to. Oh, okay. What happened?
Did I get off the road?
No, you're still on it. So they just ask where we're headed and show them our vaccine card. So we're good to go. Vaccine card is really the passport
Yep.
to go places. Okay, we saw something on the road that was really interesting, and those are the little bamboo houses, and they deliver to your destination if you want it delivered. So we're just gonna check it out, if how much they cost and if it's doable, you know what I mean, and put it on our river property. That would be nice hangout there, like right here. Okay, so this is the design. It's pila ka ito? 9 by
Ang kwarto by 9 by 9.
9 by
Sala
9.
9 by 8.
Oh, this is Kuya right here. And we have a sink and a cabinet, and that door is for the bathroom if you want to put a bathroom. Here's the door right here, no window, and the living area. And all this will cost 80,000 ba ito kaya? 80,000 pesos including delivery. They will deliver it even to our province. There's an kana kuya pila man na?
Sitay piso.
Kana mo 85?
Tates. Magdamay ra sa sala.
Ah, so this is 85 and that is 80. That right there is 80,000. The phone number right here. Wow, 80,000 and that's 85,000. And there's another one right there. I think it's about the same size. It's really pretty.
Let's take a look at this other one.
Yeah. Kaning isa kuya, pariha lang nig size.
Ana, mora size ato.
Kani mo dako-dako ra. Kanira mo dako-dako.
Mora sila po sala, dako lang sa sala.
Ah, okay.
Anawa diri ko ba?
Okay. Oh, that right there too. It's really pretty. Wow. Beautiful. I love it. Unsa kani nga area dani kuya?
Lunukan ni ma'am.
Lunukan? Okay. Lunukan. Okay. Sige lao sa mi. Okay, we're here in this zigzag road that I never liked before when I was taking the bus. It always made me sick. Just a quick little stop over here at Impasogong Tourism Office. And this is very known here. I don't know if it's allowed. Pwede naman, hindi ma'am? Okay. It's really cool. Right there. Right there with the ladies.
Oh, work it, baby, work it. Oh yeah. Okay, okay, work it, work it. You're just standing there. Do some moves. Oh yeah. It's a
go.
video.
No picture?
Yeah, it's a video.
It's not a picture?
No.
Time is it, baby? 2
Two.
o'clock. And I don't think we're gonna keep going.
But we won't make it to
Davao.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
And there's no real place that we'd want to stay over at this time.
Yeah, it's just a road trip.
It's
And
just a road trip. Hey,
for the moment, this is it. And then
got us out of the house.
hope you enjoyed our little road trips here and there with some little peeing here and there. See you next time.
And no, she didn't pee her pants. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ladies.